When it comes to coffee makers, the type you choose can elevate your brew to new heights. For espresso lovers, a high-quality espresso machine is essential. It delivers that rich, concentrated flavor with a perfect crema on top. If you prefer a smooth, mellow cup, a pour-over setup allows for precise control over water temperature and flow, enhancing the coffee's natural flavors. For those who enjoy a robust, full-bodied experience, a French press is unbeatable. It extracts oils and flavors that other methods might miss. Cold brew aficionados should look for a dedicated cold brew maker, which steeps coarsely ground coffee in cold water for hours, resulting in a smooth, less acidic drink. And let's not forget about the versatility of single-serve machines. They offer convenience without sacrificing quality, perfect for busy mornings. Each method has its charm, and exploring them can be a delightful journey for any coffee enthusiast.